morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. John here, and you're on the Sky1 Videos channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today is 9/11/2021, so this is the 20th anniversary of the towers. I think we all remember where we were. I think we should just take a moment and remember everything that happened that day, because some things just can't be forgotten. I'm wearing my Stand Strong shirt. Got the Challenger. I'm at a car show today here in Wake Forest. I was supposed to go to another car show. I actually went there. There were 3 cars. And I said, you know what? I'm not going to register and I'm not going to stay. And I was like, where is everybody? I couldn't believe how bad it was. And Vanessa and Doug are like, aren't you going? Aren't you wait? And I'm like, no, it's going to be something bigger going on. So that's when she told me here about Wake Forest, which is behind me. I'm going to walk down there. Whole bunch of cars down there. Should be a really, it's looks like a really big event. And Wake Forest is a great town anyway. So I used to work right up the street. So I'm here early. They're going to be on their way. I'm going to meet Doug and Vanessa. And yeah, we got another car show. Thanks for coming by. Let's see what we find. So if you hear any chopping sounds, it's because I had to squelch out the music so I don't get a copyright. So yeah, it looks like all the Corvettes are here and lined up. This thing is gorgeous. They're pretty nice cars. So I think when they get a charged admission, you get a little bit nicer show. More than just a regular car meet here. Love this color. Goodness. Rear's tight. Rear's nice too. Really nice. Oh. Like the way the door opens up so you don't bump your head. So 67. Look at that, 62. Nice that they got a little sign that tells you about the car.
Come and gone, but we're right where we feel we belong.
Everybody thought I was going to enter my car into the show, but I'm like, no, I'm just here to look. Free to look. The other thing is when you register your car to show, you're kind of stuck here all day. Alright, so Vanessa and Doug are coming. Hopefully they park next to me. Alright, so let me look around a little bit, and if I see something cool, I'll be sure to film it. So, fire truck right here.
Alright, good morning to each and every one of you. Thank you for being here today at the Wake Forest Optimist Club Charity Car Show. Wake Forest Office Club is dedicated to bringing out the best in kids, and we appreciate all the sponsors today. A few more are McPherson Family Eye Care, Deborah Construction Company, Lumpy's, Big Wheel Realty, Corvettes International, and Ron Cansier. Thank you so much to everyone doing it, and let you know there will be 50/50 tickets on sale, getting started soon. So watch for the lady selling the tickets.
So there's William here. You don't see his Challenger. He's selling Bruiser. He's got the wide body red eye. He's bought the Ford GT 500. And here's the ZR1 that his wife likes to drive.
Oh yeah, I'm getting to get it. I was trying to get as much as I can while that music is off.
I know, right? It's loud.
So it's pretty nice. Look at it. I like the lights on the bottom splitter. Oh, it goes all the way around. That's pretty neat. Yeah, sure. Cheshire. Oh, look at the helmet. Oh my God. Good shape. 440. Back in the day, people would have these and they go, oh, that's cool. And then people would show up with these, with the same engine. And piss everybody off, right? Dart. Oh yeah, they put a Hemi in there. There's probably a 340 in here. Actually, is it, or is it a 318? I don't know. It might just be a 318. Let's get the eyeballs. Yeah. I sure do miss my 70 Camaro. See how it's got the low back seats so you can get in, see the back a little bit better.
Is that what that's about?
Yeah, this is 70. The 71 they changed it. I got in a lot of trouble with my Camaro. I don't think I ever stopped for the cops. It's like I never stopped for the cops with my I had a 400 in the thing, man. Oh, and then like try to catch up. You know how they like try to come up behind you and wait a little bit and then put the lights on?
Yeah.
As they catch up, to try to catch up, I go a little faster. And then they go a little faster, and then I go a little faster. So as they tried to get up closer to read my... Then finally it was just like, bye. That was different back then. Things were good back then. You didn't go to jail when you outran the cops.
Amen. Thank you. I'm married way over my head. 17 feet tick.
Looks like a 440, isn't it? Wide.
Yeah, we didn't enter them though.
All right, I gotta get some background music here, but look at that. I like the red with the black stripes. Oh, it's carbon fiber too? Nope. Yeah. That's a Hellcat. Red key cars. Look at that. I'm gonna have to get a Hellcat, I think. Oh, look at that. It's a 3-pedal car.
I know you ain't doing this to yourself. Stop what you're doing and let him go. Pack up all your things when you're finally done. Call me up, sweet mama, we'll run. 'Cause oh, what a way to live a life. Living in pain and fear as a wife.
96.
I said next time he hurts you, I'll know
54. 96.
that time will be the last he ever hurt you.
Please make your way over there for that. Also, they have a registration form. They have a chair they're giving away later today. So fill out one of those registrations forms, get you a chair, get you some water, and directly behind me is Lumpy's Ice Cream, if you haven't spotted that yet. So please make your way over here and get you
Lumpy's
some
Ice Cream.
All your extra makeup on work.
Get warm out here
We
now.
all feel it too, we know you're hurt. I know some time will pass.
All right. Alright, so we left the other car show. Now we're going to another one, and I don't know where this other one is. So we might have been going a little quick on the road, and
Turn right on Knightdale
sheriff comes
Station
up
Run.
behind us. Didn't pull us over though. Just kind of followed us because we had slowed down when we saw him. But yeah, he's really cool about it. Anyway, so we're over here at Knightdale. This is a really nice park. Knightdale Station, it's called. So we're gonna find a place. I don't know if we're gonna enter the show. I don't think so. We're gonna find a place to park. So our cars are over there, and we are over here at Prime Barbecue. I got a brisket and ribs. Looks like Vanessa got the jalapeno sausage and brisket. The baked beans are good here. Looks like Doug got the ribs and brisket. Having an Arnold Palmer on sweet tea. Yeah, so this is pretty good. Bunched out on all that barbecue. There was food here too, but we wanted to go into Prime because I told them about it and I wanted to check it out. So we're gonna look at some cars here. Yeah. It's nice inside. Oh, you got a big old motor in here, man. Wow. Trips. Huh. Is this this a neon? The SRT, no?
Sharp looking machine, man.
Well, our engines are still in here, so that's good. Hey! Alright guys, so wrapping it up, say goodbye to the gang. Sorry I didn't film too much at the other show. Was chatting with a few of the people with the GTRs, and everybody was just super there. Even though it was a small event, it was a lot of fun. It was like for a Boy Scout thing, so local event. And most people were over at Wake Forest, I think. That was probably the big show. But anyway, yeah, be careful if you're out driving, the cops are out in numbers.